Hi guys, it's me Anj, and this is my first YouTube, and give one in one day 1,000 likes, so 50 or 2,000, or and let's just get started. And this is our Tokamoke, and the color is orange, and here is angry, and I can see some red there and there and there and a bit there and there. So it's angry, and I can see some red here. Or is it orange? And by the way, this car can do black flips like this. All of them can do black flips, and this one can do more good black flips. They just do back flips, so no. This one can do Goda because it has the wings there. And the name is El Tocoloco. So I don't know this one, but it's red and black and white color because I can see white there. And the bumpers are kind of like a real truck. Like those trucks that are flat, like cut on here. The back is kind of like a pickup truck, because I just have a pickup truck that's there. Pickup truck that's there. And the pickup truck, this kind of Munch Truck, I don't know where it is, but it's from the Munch Truck show, and it's Munch Truck Hot Wheels. So this is a one that I got from a different. This is not a Munch Truck, but it's a different kind of drum. My truck's that from when I was little, I played with it, and my other one got lost and it got crushed. And so I still have this one after that, and it's yellow. And red, and by the way, this is not a real monster truck because it has no stations like these monster trucks do. And it's white, yellow, red, and black. And these parts are golden, and the black wheels. All of the wheels are black. So I'm going to show more my number 2 one. This one is for McDonald's. This one's for McDonald's. And I don't know which one is it. It's like a puppy one, I know it, but I forgot about the name. And you can see it doesn't have wheel spanches like those. That one has a wheel spanches, and it has spanches like these ones. And it is brown and white. And it has a little tail, and it has a tongue getting out. Bye bye. Let's go with the next one. This one is a school bus that opens from here, but it cannot really open. And it can do black flips as well. It can do good black flips. And this is where the driver goes. And the whole color is yellow. The wheels are yellow. The wheels are yellow. And this is yellow. And this is kind of like where the guy gets in. But this is where the stool people get it, or just, I know here, not there. Bye bye. Thank you. I know what my mom's saying. And I want to start from the other one is very shiny, and it stays this. This one is the coolest one that I said. This one's cooler because you can touch this part, and this part is made out of fire, and it's a sticker. And this is not one from my class because here is golden and it's all gold here and fire here and black there. And it's person, angry person there. And this one's the same as this one. I already showed you this one. So I'm just gonna put it. Right. And I'm gonna show you this one. It has orange ears, and it has this color, so it's orange, and it's all green and orange, and I can do good back flips. And sometimes it can do bad because it has these wings make them worse because the wings are touching the floor, so it makes them worse. And this is grave digger. I have two grave diggers. One's new, just I got a new one, and one's very old. I cannot go. I have an old that's not new, but this is a new one I got from Newcastle. And I can do backflips. I can do backflips that go front and then they go back. I know I'm going to do that at the end when I show all of them. So this monster truck is my favorite monster truck. I'm thinking so this is the king of the monster trucks. If you know what this is like, just put it like, just tell me. And this one is not Shark Week. It's a different shark. That's brown. And this shark has brown wheels and it's gray wheels and gray. And it has a shark that's very funny. That's in the water and it has a helmet. That's the funniest part. And it's really angry than the other shark. And it says 88 or 00. It's gonna say 0. 8. So I love this one. So look how many, I want to count how many fins it has. It has 4 fins that it has. This one is the rock and roll one. It has hair there. I always move it out when it crashes. So that's gonna happen. I can break. And this one is rock and roll. And this one has a little truck's front. And this why is rock and roll because when I do a backflip, it just goes crazy. Like, look, it just did a backflip and then more tricks. And it cannot do backflips very well because it's a rock and roll one. And now I'm going to show. I'll try this punch. What?
Say bye to your friends.
Bye, guys. I was just going to show them and then.